Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control, ice thickness for Manitowoc part number 2008029. Control, ice thickness for Manitowoc part number 2008029 is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. It is used to control the thickness of the ice produced by the machine. The part includes a control board, wiring harness, and a temperature sensor. The control board is used to adjust the temperature of the water entering the machine, which in turn affects the thickness of the ice produced. The wiring harness connects the control board to other components in the machine, such as pumps and fans. The temperature sensor monitors the water temperature and sen. This part fixes the following symptoms. Control, ice thickness for Manitowoc part number 2008029 fixes the symptom of inconsistent ice thickness. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the Manitowoc part number 2008029 control, ice thickness. 2. Turn off the power to the ice machine before beginning installation. 3. Remove the existing control board and disconnect all wires from it. 4. Install the new control board in place of the old one, making sure to secure it firmly with screws or bolts. 5. Connect all wires to their corresponding terminals on the new control board, making sure to follow any specific instructions provided in the installation manual for your particular model of ice. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.